Okay, somebody, people, including my own mind, says I shouldn't be doing this kind of stuff. I shouldn't be out here working so hard at my age. I just made 69 years old last month. Well, not even a month yet. I'm not even 30 days of being 69 years old yet. So I don't know if I shouldn't really be doing this hard work or not. Uh, I think doing it. Well, there's a part of me that agrees I shouldn't. I'm at that age. I should be taking it easy, right? But I am still, even maybe more so, working really hard to make some dreams come true. Working out here on Dolly, trying to get this to the point where it's truly livable. My used 40-foot shipping container. Been doing all this work out here on it by myself for 3 years. Obviously, not 3 years straight, but off and on. I've taken times of, my God, I was in Chicago from March to June 24 last year. Went there with the intent of resting, like my therapist said I should do. Went there to take my mind off, spend some time therapeutically with my daughter, my girls, what I call my Chicago girls, my Chicago clan, Chicago crew, my daughter, my two granddaughters, and great grandkids. I got there, and in a week, I fell and broke my ankle. Plan B. I had to go to a plan B that hadn't been thought of. I had to do an impromptu plan B and ended up stuck there for a while, but it was a break from here. A break from the thoughts of, okay, what am I going to do towards transitioning towards a divorce, towards becoming legally totally independent again, even at this age. So here I am now back. Since June 25th, 2024, I returned to Texas Hill Country from Chicago and gradually working towards the divorce. I found an apartment. Well, I had gotten a call actually while I was still in Chicago that my application had gone through, and I was in line for the next upcoming apartment, but I wasn't there, so she was going to have to rent that one out. But I would be the very next in line. Just keep her posted about where it was. She knew I was returning to Texas. I wasn't planning on staying in Chicago permanently. Got back here, I was able to finally get into a HUD apartment in August 2024 and put my divorce paperwork on hold. I had gotten connected with something called the Texas Advocacy Project, legally, kind of like legal aid. They help women who are in crisis and or survivors of terroristic assaults, I'll just put it that way, domestic violence and such, which I am a survivor of abuses. So here it is, January now. I did finally manage to get back to the paperwork I had started before I found the apartment. I filed the petition. I'm doing this pro se because the Texas Advocacy Project doesn't actually represent me with legal representation. They advise me and guide me. Phone sessions, as a matter of fact. There's not even a branch in this part of Texas. I think the closest would be Austin, but anyway, by phone, no Zoom, no video chats, just phone and text. So I'm kind of stuck. I filed the petition. I filed an affidavit requesting waiving of filing fees. Boom, they approved me for that, so I don't have to pay the $360 that I don't have for filing fee. And I filed the petition, and I thought my husband, well, he had agreed he was going to sign like an affidavit waiver, so so as to not be served. We were going to try to work this out among each other. Well, his son's an attorney, and of course he ain't gonna let that happen, which I can't blame him. He's like, no, don't sign nothing, Dad. I'm sure that's kind of what he's saying, unless I see it first. So now I've kind of got a roadblock because I don't know where to go next, but I'm here. Whew, been working out here because yesterday I was too sick, had sneezing attacks, um, runny nose. It was pretty yucky. I ate a lot of chicken noodle soup, took a lot of supplements, and found in my little box of Mucinex for expectorant, which I didn't need because my congestion is not in my chest, it's in my nasal area. Anyway, inside that package I found something called Cold Calm, a naturopath remedy for runny nose, sneezing, blah, blah, blah. Take 2 every 6 hours. The other, I would have taken 1 every 12 hours. But again, I'm not taking something I know I don't need. So here I am, feeling much better, and decided, and the weather's eased up a bit. It's not the icy, rainy, cold right now. It's going to drop again, I'm sure. But at least, so I managed to reinforce my fence that I put up. I put all the fencing up around here by myself. Reinforce my fencing, privacy screening, plastic bags, stuff. And, oh, I didn't check over here. Okay, looks like this is pretty much good. It's still intact. That's giving a little extra insulation for the hot water heater that happens to be in this area behind the blue. My power's still on for now. I can see that. So my electric water heater thermostat is going to be kicking in if when it drops to 32 and below again. So the water won't freeze up. Plus, there's water dripping inside of Dolli. I got water dripping in the tub, and oh no, my papers are blowing away here. Oh boy. Oh gosh. Okay. I'm out of here, y'all. Let me get this taken care of. I'll be back, God willing.